Here I have iPhone error, and let me show you how to split screen on the following device. Okay, so there is no native or built-in split screen feature on the iPhone, but you can skip it and you can, for example, split your browser, so it's like the most important thing to split. All you need to do is choose App Store here. From the App Store, let's choose here the following app, split screen. Choose the first one, split screen dual window. I highly recommend this one, it's most trustful one. Let's scroll down. You can read information about it if you are aware of this. Let's use this button here. This cloud icon. Let's tap open. Tap allow. Allow again. And that's it. As you can see, you can use, for example, YouTube, and you can use Twitter in the same time. So it's like the browser when you can use two different things in one screen. As you can see, this is the icon of the following app. Let's just tap it, and you can change whatever you like here, Amazon, YouTube, and use two things in the same time. So that's it, thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.